And here it is. Time to unbox the Nimbus Oracle 29-inch mountain unicycle with a disc brake. So let's get that started. It's finally here. You've always waiting for it. It's so tall.
Letting them go.
Okay, so the seat post was a bit too long. My feet could barely touch the pedal, so I'm going to cut it down a bit with this hacksaw. Guys, I cannot stress how much this is not a tutorial. Don't follow what I did. This is definitely not the best way to do it. It's not unsafe, but it's just not efficient or effective or, yeah. But I don't have advice or anything, so this is what I did. But, you know, yeah. So, it rides much better than it did before I lowered the seat post or cut it down. It rides really well, it's really fun, and in the next video I will take it out on the trails and see how it does in its natural habitat. So stay tuned for the next video.